LEX'S Dirty Maintenance Show.
Sweet power slide.
Hey folks, welcome to the Dirty Maintenance Show. We got a loose handle here, and it's a YALE passage handle, and I'm going to show you how to take it off. First thing you got to do, there's a little button right there. Just push that in with a flat head, and you pull the handle, and it should pop right out. And the two Phillips head screws will be behind this escutcheon plate here. Alright, just gonna push this little button in and pull back on the handle. And there's a little groove here in the escutcheon plate. Slip the corner of your flat head in there and just snap it off. And then there's your two Phillips head screws. Just tighten it down. Nice and snug, good to go. Now we just button her back up. The ring just snaps back on. Put the handle onto the button. Push it in with your screwdriver. There you go. That's all there is to it.